Hi,
I'm trying to get
guys.
the information on it.
Whoops. Welcome to an edition of Hair Emporium Unplugged. Joe has just received a gift from our neighbor, Carol, and this has been patented in England and abroad. The trademark is there, and it says Rolls Razor, the. What is that word?
Whitter.
The Witter?
Yeah.
The Witter?
Whetter.
Whetter. Imperial number 2, made in England by Rolls Razor Limited, London. Now, as a professional cosmetologist, I have never seen an instrument like this, and Joe, as a shaving man, has never seen anything like this. Do you want to read it, Joe?
Limited license and conditions of sale. So this was English.
Okay.
The Rolls Razor is protected by letters, patent, and trademarks for the United Kingdom.
Wow.
And in lieu of license, one would otherwise be implied by the sale. The owners therefore grant to any person of those hands the razor, blah blah blah, license use, sell. Okay. Alright. So it's made here, so you can't take it. Which number 1 says that it is not exported directly or indirectly from Great Britain nor Northern Ireland without
Wow.
written consent of Rolls Razor Limited.
Wow.
That it is not retailed or advertised retail below. The fixed retail price and the current price of the list of or as advertised by Rolls Razor Limited. The wholesale below current retail price is whatever, less the discounts authorized. So I guess what they're saying is it's packaged and priced differently for overseas, and then there's no allowance or bonus or other consideration shall be made when selling the Rolls Razor, having an effect so reduction of the price and increasing the discount.
Wow. Let me get a shot.
So, like, you can't buy this at a discount and then go. You can't buy these in England since they make them right down the street. You can't buy this right down the street in England where they make it for $5, and being that they're $10 in Ireland, you can't go buy a bunch of these and then go over to Ireland and sell them for $10.
Right.
That's
right.
not. They covered everything.
Now, wait a second.
I'm trying to read it.
Okay. I thought you were going to open it.
Oh. And if the razor is resold, this wording shall not be deleted. No agent or dealer is authorized to verify this license. So that means it's bullshit.
What's bullshit?
The license.
Oh.
Look how pretty
It was
that
just
is.
It was just to, like, scare people
Look
away.
at the orange. Well, no, it's their own license. Nobody else, like a.
There's the instructions right there. But we're looking at the instrument too. I mean, I've never seen a razor like this. Have we seen a year on this yet?
Not yet. I was looking on the box. Established, patent. Nickel plates. They don't do weird stuff like we do, like copyright dates. It does say printed in London or England, and it says London. And then we got this here, the trademark.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to read about that. So, anyway, ours won't.
Yeah, I mean, we could make an addendum where...
Embossed rolls razor lid.
Right.
To the honing. Oh, whoa. That's the razor right there.
Oh, wow.
That's very sharp. Okay.
Yeah. It looks like it's in some kind of sarcophagus.
It is in here, and this is how it sharpens the blade.
Look at that hook. Oh, it's self-sharpening inside that. Wow. Wow. How cool is that? So that'd be like a sharpening strap, right?
Mm.
The sharpening strap itself.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Made in England.
That razor blade is sharper than hell.
You know, the first coppers came from England.
The what?
Cops. Police. England. Law and order. And so on and so forth. That's the thickest blade I've ever seen. I mean, I think it would be hard for most people to believe it's a blade, being that thick, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me
Yes.
see. Yes.
But
I mean, that's...
it gets so thin. It is so sharp.
No, I've seen you, and you have thick skin, and for you to back off something, you know it's sharp.
Strope it.
Strope blade. Right, strope blade.
Oh,
Yeah, be careful.
it's fucking beautiful.
Now, what's the hook do?
What's the hook gonna be? What's the hook gonna be? It's a stropey.
Oh, that answers that, doesn't it?
Fuck, I'm talking.
Talk about quality tools. I don't care where they're made. I mean, you take pride in your work. People are people.
They're saying that if I hold this and screw this tight to my razor blade that has just been sharpened,
Yep.
this here is the actual the cutting
Right.
edge of my razor, so I roll the bar up. The bar is my safety.
Oh.
The bar is my safety.
Right.
And the more I roll up off of the bar, the more the blade digs into my skin. Right there, it starts cutting.
Wow.
So you got a pretty good, I'm on the bar.
Right.
I'm on the bar.
I can't believe you're shaving dry.
I'm not. Right there. Right there is when it starts. So you got a pretty good range of movement. I wouldn't shave dry, that hurts.
Right.
But this is very sharp. I would take a whole, this is very sharp. And the hair just falls out
Yeah.
underneath the bottom of it when you shave, so it's a very clean. I mean, I got some old skin too, but I'm saying, when you're shaving, that it just falls right out.
Cool.
There's no back. Even in the safety razors, hair backs up.
Such a short handle for a man with big hands to hang on to.
Maybe but I'm just saying that's an incredible shave. So let's say I've used this side of my razor. Look, I can use the other side.
Wow. Yeah.
And I can flip this over.
That's incredible.
Because both sides of it are sharp.
I wonder if Dan ever used it.
I don't think so.
No, I don't either. I mean,
Somebody did. And so the blade. Just gets put on top of that thing, I guess.
most of the print's intact. I mean, I could read it, but I don't think I'm going to do that on this video. Not that many people are interested in quality, antique, functional, intelligent designed equipment that's better than what we have today. It makes them butthurt. I mean, it does kind of make you have reverence for the generations that came before you. We wouldn't have been here without it. How cool. Let's turn that over. Care of the Rolls razor. Right. Oh, and look, they got the don'ts. Okay, alright. Alright, hang on. Don't put your blade away damp or wet. First dip it into hot water, then dry. Tap the water out of the back hole onto a towel and strop. Strop well.
Strop.
Right, you're stropping currently.
I'm flogging the dog.
How fucking cool. And you put the secret case lid on. Just beautiful. Okay, what else don't we do? It's hard to have the camera in the right place and read. Good luck to you. Don't lubricate the center friction portion of the spindle, otherwise stropping pressure will be lost. Don't attempt to raise... Uh-oh, we're in a crack. Raise the something of the friction spring. Oh, strap. See, it's in the crease. Wings. It has to do with wings.
Yes, the wings of
wings,
the friction spring.
wings of the friction.
The wing dings friction spring.
Okay. Number 4. Don't use a cracked hone, or the blade edge will be damaged. Number 5. Don't forget to apply Rolls razor strop dressing to the strap when required. We've got something to substitute for the original stroppage, right?
Dressing?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just a little bit
A
of
lubricant, an oil. Like,
it was linseed or beeswax. They use beeswax is what they used to on a lot of strops. They use beeswax.
oh, all right. Don't allow dust or grit to settle on or become embedded in the strap. 7. Don't turn the strap or the hone or put them into the wrong lids. The lids are not interchangeable.
The lids are not interchangeable.
Right.
The lids are not interchangeable.
Right, and it says don't bend the...
Don't bang the compressor.
Don't bend the lips of the lid springs in fitting a new strap or hone, which should be slid underneath the lid springs and then gently pressed into the lid. Don't store spare blades in a damp climate without coating them with petroleum jelly, otherwise they may rust. That would be bad. And they had shaving soap, pomades. They had the whole men's beautification kit. How cool. Probably can't order parts anymore for the strops. But that's alright. What a cool gift. Thanks to our neighbor Carol for picking this up from our other neighbor Dan's sale. 'Cause he is out of here. Out of the ghetto he goes. Alright. That's it, guys. Another educational, informational, and fun video. Yeah. From Hair Emporium Unplugged and Joe. And myself, I'm Suze. Peace out.